Let us discuss question number 1 of your worksheet 1. So first worksheet chapter 5 applications of percentage. So question is, a property dealer charges 2% commission from a buyer or seller of property if Mr. Ramlal paid rupees 20,000 as commission. So this is obviously the same, both the two things. One is given in terms of percentage, second is given in terms of number. So here 2% commission is there, and here again the 20,000 is as commission. So both of these two numbers are same. So property dealer charges 2% commission. So what are the important words here? We'll first of all underline those words. So charges 2% commission is important here. So 2% commission is charged by the dealer, and if Mr. Ramlal paid rupees 20,000 as commission, so who got this commission? Property dealer got this commission, so he is going to charge 2%, and in the form of 2% he got rupees 20,000 rupees as commission. So for purchasing a flat, find the value of the flat. So what you have to find out? You have to find out the value of the cost of the flat. So we'll start question from here. Let the cost of the flat is equal to rupees x. So सबसे पहली बात 2% means 2% commission, 2 rupees out of 100 rupees, right? So 100 rupees का अगर कोई cost का कोई flat है तो he will get 2 rupees as commission. But if the value of the flat is rupees x, then what he will get? He will get 2% of rupees x. So cost of the flat is equal to x, then commission charged is 2%. 2% of the value of the flat. So 2% of what is the value of the flat? Cost of the flat, that is rupees x. So 2% of x becomes, yes, 2%, 2 over 100 of x multiplied by x. So again, commission charged by, paid by Ramlal. What commission Ramlal has paid to the property dealer? Rupees 20,000. Now you can see that 2% of rupees x and commission paid by Ramlal, both of these two are equal. So 2% of x must be equal to 20,000 rupees. So 2% means 2 over 100 of multiplied by rupees x multiplied by x. It becomes rupees 20,000. So you have to find out the value of x. Keep x over here and shift this 2 over 100 towards second side. So this 2 over 100 on the second side will become 100 upon 2. So after cancelling you will get x is equal to 10 lakh rupees. So cost of the flat is rupees 10 lakh, right? So whatever the important words are there in the statement question, you can underline first of all those and then try to know the statement properly. Then if statement is understood by you, half of the job is done. So here again I am going to explain. Charges 2% commission means 2% commission of the total trade whatever is done. So Mr. Ramlal paid rupees 20,000 as commission. So this 2% of the commission is equal to 20,000 rupees. That I have written over here. 2% of value of the value of the house, or 2% of rupees x, that is equal to 20,000. Then you can solve 2%, 2 over 100 of x multiplied by x. That becomes is equal to rupees 20,000. Then you can find out the value of x, right?